Can't find your Chase card and want to prevent unauthorized use immediately? If you think you have to call to lock it, there's a much faster way. Today, we're freezing your Chase card instantly using the mobile app. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. The Block Card feature temporarily blocks new purchases and cash advances on your account. It's reversible the moment you find your card. The fastest way, use the Chase mobile app. Open the Chase app and select your card account. Look for Lock and Unlock Card or a similar security option. Simply toggle the switch to Lock to instantly freeze the card. What it blocks: new transactions only. While locked, new authorization attempts will be declined. However, recurring billing, returns, and other account features will continue to work normally. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: lock first, then search thoroughly. The moment you suspect your card is missing, open the app and lock it. This gives you peace of mind to search thoroughly without the panic of someone else using it. If you don't find it, you can then report it lost to get a replacement. So, just like that, you have immediate control over your card security. The lock feature goes a long way in preventing fraud before it even happens. Now I'm curious, have you ever used the lock feature? Did you find your card afterward? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.